Hi children, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Children, now I am asking you a simple question. How many members are there in your family? Very good. All are responded. Thank you. Now think, have all the families same members in their families? No. Then children, think once. Why the some children have different members in their family? Do you know why changes take place in family? Let us know about the reason behind the changing family structure. Okay. Today we are ready to learn lesson name is changing family structure, which is in 4th standard EVS. Children, do you know how the present day families are different from that of the past? Okay, think. Generally, Indian families comprise of parents, grandparents and children. Some families called joint families comprise of uncle, aunts and their children besides parents, grandparents and children. But nowadays, the structure of the such families is changing. Children, have you ever asked your grandparents how their families were in their childhood and how are the present days families? Do all the members in your family always stay together? No. When compared to the structure of families in olden days, the present generation of family structure are different and are changing. New members join in the family. Children, think, when do such changes take place in family and why do such changes take place in family? Let us know about the reasons behind the changing family structure. Now we will start learning with one of the prime reason why family structure changed. That is birth. A new arrival into family. Children, look at the picture. In the picture, Vandana is very happy because Vandana's mother gave birth to baby girl. Children, just a second. Remember that your happy moment when birth your baby brother or baby sister. Children, observe the picture and say, who were the members of Vandana's family before the arrival of her baby sister? What changes might have occurred in their home after baby's birth? Many changes occurred when new member joined the family. Then discuss with your friends and family members and write in your notebook the changes that might have taken place. Children, think, how will Vandana spend her free time now? What kind of works her mother was doing earlier? What new works will her mother do now? How do the works of family members change with the arrival of newborn? Some changes occurred in the family with the birth of babies. New duties such as giving bath to the baby, cooking special food, feeding the baby, carrying and pampering the baby, controlling a crying baby, taking care of baby have to do done now. Their activities would not be there before baby's birth. All other family members help to the mother in the performing various activities. Now it's time to know about the next most important reason for changing the family structure. It is marriage. Children, have you ever attended a marriage? Then say, what have you seen there? In marriage time, the house is decorated beautifully. Relatives have arrived. Everyone is happy and busy in the house. Children, look at the picture. Rani's brother Srinivas is getting married. After the marriage, the bride came to Rani's house. A new member has joined Rani's family. Children, think once. Where did Rani's sister-in-law lived before marriage? Where will she reside after marriage? Children, let us discuss with your family and your friends what changes might have occurred in the Brit families because of the marriage. What changes might have occurred in Rani's family after the marriage? What changes might occur in Rani's family in future? In a family, when someone get married or a new baby is born, members will increase. Children, am I correct? Okay, good. Similarly, when someone has to leave the family for a job or for any other reason like death, members will decrease. Therefore, changes in a family occur whenever a member joins or leaves. Children, think what other reasons bring changes in families. Here, let us go through another reason: moving to new place or transfer. Look at children, look at this picture. Aditya's family lives in Mancherial. Aditya's father received a letter from office. The letter said that he was transferred to Nirmal on promotion. Aditya lives in a joint family. Aditya lives in a joint family where his sister, parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, and cousins live together. Children, think when Aditya's father showed the letter to his family, how do you think the family members would have felt? Aditya's family vacated the house and left for the new town. Similarly, Aditya's friend Ramesh's father also got promoted and transferred to Adilabad. He did not take his family to the new town, but he shuttled. Children, discuss with your friends and family members and write down what changes might come in the families of employees. Children, collect given below information from your classmates. Where did he or she come from? How was either his or her? How was his or her old school? Children, how many new students joined in your school? Talk to them to know whether any changes have taken place in their families and the kind of work. What new things he observed here? Did he like the present atmosphere and why? Okay children, let us go to the point. Thus till now what we concluded is family structure will not be the same always. Changes occur in the families due to the various reasons. Changes occur in every family because of the many reasons like birth, marriage, transfers and so on and so. There are other reasons also for change in family structure like education, business, migration of employment, occurrence of earthquakes, floods, and death of any family member, and so on. Besides there, when we compare the present time with the past, we find that many changes have taken place in families. Children, let us know about differences among families yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Compared to the past, there are many changes in the families. In the olden days, most of the families were joint families. Joint families are family which include members like grandmother, grandfather, aunt, uncle, children, and so on, living together as a single family. In joint families, all the members help each other in their daily activities. All the family members share their happiness and problems together. In joint families, the grandparents used to help the many ways. They used to tell their grandchildren many stories, interesting facts, used to clarify many doubts. In joint families, all the members used to have meals together, chat together, and help to each other and live together. Nowadays, the number of members in a family is decreasing. As days pass by, the joint families convert into nuclear families due to the various reasons like employment, division of properties, like that. At present, only parents and their children live in most of the families. These are called nuclear families. In the present days, joint families are hardly found. One of the reasons for nuclear family is newly married couple start living separately. After their marriage. They are not taking proper care of grandparents and other old members in their family. Even though the families has grandparents, they are not take care of and are left at the old age homes. Also, parents in some families keep their children in hostels in the name education. Children, discuss with your family members and friends what are the benefits of joint families. Old age homes are increasing by day. Why? Do you think it is good change? Living together is happy, living apart is sad. Why? Children, write a short notes. In olden days, people used to their work by themselves or with the help of family members. Whereas now, with less number of people in families, people started hiring workers to do the work. Similarly, the use of electrical appliances in the households work has increased to reduce the labor. In the current generation, home appliances have changed the complete scenario of doing work. Now people are using the electrical appliances for almost all works. They used appliances for washing clothes, cleaning the house, and cooking, and so and so. Children, observe the pictures on the screen. Do you know what these are? Washing machine, refrigerator, grinder, geyser, microwaves, and so and so. With the uses of more and more electrical appliances, more electricity is being consumed. By doing the work manually, we not only reduce the consumption of electricity but also improve our health to a great extent. Last but not the least, by doing manually, we will realize the important and value of work. Okay, children, these are the main points in first chapter, changing family structure, fourth standard EVS. Thank you.